Hello everybody, Sorbeaten here and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be constructing the 60-degree angle and the 120-degree angle. So let's not waste any more time, let's head straight into the force construction. So the first thing you want to do is you want to draw a baseline, a flat line right at the bottom in which the angle will come from. So we use our ruler and our pencil to draw this line. And a nice thing that we do to get an accurate measurement of the line, let's say we wanted the line to be 6 cm. We take our compass and we put the point right at 0 and we open it all the way to 7. And then we lock our compass. You will lock your compass by making sure it doesn't move. And let's put back our ruler and we put the compass on the line and we scribe an arc, and then we put it at the other end, and we scribe an arc there as well. And that is how we make sure that here is accurately 7 cm. So we did not have any measurement. I'm just showing that to show you how you can get an accurate 7. Because if you use the ruler to draw, you may be off by a point something, a 0.01 cm or so, or a 0.1 cm. So next thing we do, the first thing we want to construct is 60 degrees. So the first thing we do, we use our compass and we scribe an arc. Let's construct 60 degrees at this part of the angle here, at this part of the line. So the first thing I do, I want to draw a semicircle around from this point. So I lock my compass and I draw a semicircle. It'll be a little more than a semicircle. So I'll go a little more than a semicircle. So let's draw that. So from the semicircle now, I take the tip of my compass and I put it at the intersection between the line. I put at the intersection of the line and the semicircle that I just drew, and I scribe an arc on the semicircle. So I scribe an arc on the semicircle, and this arc that I scribed here, I have to make sure I don't change the compass by any bit. I don't make it open or close by even an inch, because that would affect the angle. So once I don't close my compass, I use the same distance that I open to draw the semicircle, and I scribe an arc from the intersection. And this arc that I just scribed here, from this point through that arc, that would be 60 degrees. So here would be 60 degrees. And that is how I construct a 60 degrees angle. As easy as that. So let's say I wanted to construct 90 degrees. I go and I put my point. I don't change the compass a bit. I put my point on that arc that I just scribed, the 60 degrees, and I go and I scribe another arc on the circle. So I scribe that on the circle there. That there now, from here through that would be 120 degrees. This entire thing would be 120 degrees. And that is how I draw 120 and 60. And with that, this has brought me to the end of this video, in which I looked at constructing the 60-degree angle and the 120-degree angle. So join me in the next video, in which I'll be looking at some more angles. Until then, keep constructing.